Welcome to Flying Stone Canada. In this short video, we will explain how to use our program Green View in 10 easy steps. Green View is a flexible way to see your home when you want to. Let's get started, shall we? Step 1. Book an appointment online. Go to the website flyingstonecanada.com to book your appointment. You can look at other homes on the website as well to find your perfect match. Booked your appointment? Great! Now you just have to wait for the day of the appointment. Pretty easy, right? Step 2. On the day of the appointment, make sure you call or text to confirm you're coming at least 2 hours before the scheduled time. If you don't call, we will assume that you aren't coming. Step 3. Once you confirm, please send your photo ID, passport, driver's license. It must be government issued. This is to prevent any identity scams and make sure you get your showing. Step 4. Go to the address of the home you wish to view. Make sure you arrive in time. Step 5. Video call FSC upon arrival to gain access to the home. Step 6. Stay in the call while viewing the home so we can help you answer any questions you may have. Step 7. Once the showing is complete, please turn off the lights, lock up the house, and put the key back. Step 8. Take a short video to let us know you put the key back. A 10 to 20 second video of you locking the key is perfect. Or you could take a series of photos to show that you put the key back. Step 10. Congratulations! You just finished using Green Viewing with FSC. I hope you enjoyed this video and it's given you all the information you need. Thank you for using FSC.